Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw Anil takes writer at his room, which is there on the first floor of one sweet home. Now, what happens next? Writer says he took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Now, right when Anil took writer to his room, Anil asked to writer, "You can sleep in balcony." Balcony means corridor of first floor. Here, meaning of balcony is corridor of first floor. You can sleep in balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. But writer says the meal which was prepared by me at that evening, it must be terrible. Terrible means what we can say, not good in taste or bad in taste. Why writer says it must be terrible? Because Anil gave that whole food to a stray dog. Obviously, if food is good, nobody will give to a stray dog. That's why writer says it must be terrible. But I just, and after that, means after giving food to stray dog, Anil said, be off. What is meaning of be off? Means next time you should not prepare food. You should stay away from preparing food. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. And writer says, though Anil was angry with me, but I just hung around. Hung around means what? I stood near him, giving him my most appealing smile. Appealing smile means attractive smile. And Anil could not control himself from laughing at writer. Why Anil could not control himself from laughing at writer? Because when we are angry with somebody and if that somebody gives smile to us, we think what a fool person is there. I am angry with this, I am shouting on him, then also he is laughing, then also he is smiling. That's why Anil could not control himself from laughing at whom? Writer. Later, he patted me on the head and said, never mind. And afterwards, writer says, later, he patted me on head. Patted me on head means what? He put his hand on my head and said, never mind. Never mind means what? Don't mind. Don't worry. If you are not able to prepare food, then also don't worry. He'd teach me to cook. And Anil said to writer what? He'd. He'd means what? Here he apostrophe D is there. Here meaning of he'd is what? He would. He would teach me to cook. Means Anil said to writer, don't mind. Don't worry if you are not able to prepare food. I know you lied with me. Then also don't worry. I will teach you to what? Prepare food. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. And not only that, Anil taught writer to prepare food. But with preparing food, one more thing Anil taught to writer. And what was that thing? Anil taught writer how to write his name. And on the other hand, not only that, on the other hand, Anil promised to writer that very soon he will teach him how to write sentences and how to make addition, how to make subtraction, how to make multiplication. Here, writer says, I was grateful. I was grateful. Why writer says I was grateful? Because Anil not only taught him how to prepare food, but also he taught him what? How to write his name. And with this he promised what? He will teach him to what? Write sentences and addition and subtraction. That's why writer says I was grateful. Why writer was grateful? If you think here, what was the period of this story? Means what is the period of this story? Near about independence. 1949. Because at that time writer was at the age of what? 15 years. Means we can consider this was the period of what we can say late British period and early independence period. Means on that junction. And at that time in our country illiteracy was there. Scarcity of educated people was there. Very less people were educated. And if somebody was educated, he didn't need to steal anything, he didn't need to rob anybody. Why? Because a person who was able to read and write, a person who was educated, for him in those days, that person used to get job easily. But here, writer was working as a robber, as a thief. Why? First reason was there. At the age of 15 years or so, he was not able to read and write. Means illiteracy was the main reason behind that. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. And writer says here, I knew one thing very well. And what was that thing? If he was able to read and write, he could achieve anything. Obviously, education is such a weapon. Today also, if we have that weapon, we can achieve anything. In those days, it was what we can say more important for a person to achieve anything. Means writer had realized the importance of education at that time also. And he was working as a robber because he was what? Uneducated person. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. And writer says, Anil was something different. Previously, whenever he joined somebody and whenever he robbed that somebody, He didn't feel anything about that person because they were not different in the point of view of writer. But here Anil was something different. Why Anil was something different? Because Anil not only gave him job, he taught him how to prepare food, how to write his name, how to write sentences. Sorry, name, still now he did not teach him what? Sentences. Means Anil was something different. That's why writer is saying what? It was quite pleasant. Pleasant means what? Happy. Which gives happiness. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. And he says, I made tea in the morning. He's telling schedule. What was his schedule? Every day in the morning he used to prepare what? Tea. Because Anil must have taught him first what? Tea. That's why he says, I used to prepare what? Tea in the morning. Then would take my time buying the day's supplies. And remaining time how he used to spend? By buying day's supplies. By buying day's supplies. Day's supplies means what? Day's supplies means the things which we require in day-to-day life, that is called as day's supplies. Generally, what is our day's supplies? Vegetables, grocery, such type of things are our day's supplies. So writer says, I spent my remaining time by buying what? Day's supplies. Usually making a rupee a day. And he says here, when I went to buy day's supplies, means things which require day-to-day life, I made a rupee a day. A rupee a day means what? 1 rupee per day. How? Generally, when your parents ask you to bring something from grocery shop or from market, many times you are happy. Why you are happy? Because not all of you, some of you. Because you get chance to save some money from that whatever money is given by your parents. And you can keep that saved money in your pocket as a pocket money. Understand? Likewise, writer used to make some money from whatever Anil gave him for purchasing day's supplies. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. And writer says, according to me, Anil also knew very well. What Anil also knew very well? That I make money in this way. Sometimes what happens? Boss gives money to his peon to bring some things from market. But peon sometimes he does not spend all money on that things. He bargains in the market for that thing and saves some money. And sometimes boss may know that what is the value of that thing in the market and how much money that peon is returning to me, or whether he is returning or not returning to me. But boss doesn't care about that. Why? Because when boss gives 100 rupees to purchase something, he considers peon may keep 5 or 10 rupees with him, and that is not big deal. Why that is not big deal? Because that peon goes in the market, he takes hard work for purchasing things. That's why boss neglect such type of things. Here also same thing is happening. Anil might know about the such type of business of writer, but he never mind about that thing. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow one week, lend the next. And here writer says, Anil made money by fits and starts. Anil made money by fits and starts means what? In between. Irregularly. Means what? Anil also had no permanent salary, monthly salary. Means Anil was doing such type of job where he didn't get what? Regular salary like a teacher, like a doctor, like what we can say Tahsildar, collector, all these people they get what? Monthly salary. But there are some people they don't get what? Monthly salary. Like people, those who work on daily wages. People like writer, actor, they don't get compulsory monthly salary. They get money or they get payment whenever they do some project at that time. Now here one thing is important to know what is the job of Anil. We'll see what is the job of Anil. He would borrow one week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. And now, here we came to know one thing. What is job of Anil? Anil is a writer who writes for some magazine. Magazine means what? The books which are published weekly, fortnightly, monthly, they are called what? Magazines. And you know that people such as writers, actors, they get money when they work or when they do some project. Otherwise they don't get what? Money. They cannot earn money. That's why, because Anil was what we can say writer, he used to get payment money irregularly in between. That is called as by fits and starts. And because of such type of situation, such type of people, they don't get what? Regular salary. Anil used to lend money in 1 week. Lending money means what? Taking for temporary time from somebody. Sorry, he used to what? Borrow money from somebody. Borrowing means what? Taking money for temporary time and lend in next. And lend in what? Next. Means sometimes he used to take money from others and sometimes he used to give money to others. Whenever he had lot of money, he used to give what? Others. But whenever he didn't have, any rupee, then he used to what? Borrow from others. Borrow means taking from others. Lending means what? Giving to others. He kept worrying about his next check, and always he was in what we can say tension. When his next check will come, when his next check will come. But as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. But whenever he got his check for his work, check means what? Here, what we can say, money in the form of what we can say, one slip. After going into the bank, we get money for that check. Means whenever he got money, he used to go out and celebrate. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. And likewise, in one evening he came at home, at his room. And when he came at his room, what was there with him? A small bundle of notes. Notes, rupees. Saying he had just sold a book to publisher. And he told writer, how did he get that money? Because he sold his one book to whom? One publisher. And that publisher gave that money to whom? Anil. Means whenever we sell our book, writer, whenever he sells his book or magazine to some publisher, publisher means what? A person who publishes that book, that is called as publisher. That publisher gives money to whom? Writer. Likewise, Anil had sold one book to one publisher, and that publisher had given money to whom? Anil. And he told a writer that I got money because I sold my what? Book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. And writer said, in the night, I saw him while tucking the money under the mattress. Now, tucking the money under the mattress means what? Under the bed. Generally, many people, they have habit of keeping money at different places. Some people they keep in cupboard, some people they keep in treasure. But when such type of things are not there with us, like cupboard and treasure, we can keep our money under our bed also. Likewise, Anil tuck means what? Kept that money under the mattress, bed. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. Here writer says, I had been working for Anil for almost a month. Means writer was working for Anil still now. Means when Anil brought that bundle of notes. Still that time, Anil worked for writer near about how much long? For a month. And writer says, in this whole month, apart from cheating on shopping means what? He cheated Anil. Writer cheated Anil in what? Shopping. How he cheated Anil in shopping? By keeping daily 1 rupee in his pocket. Apart from this, he did not take anything from Anil. And he says, I did not do anything in my line of work. In my line of work means what? What is teacher's line of work? Teaching. What is doctor's line of work? Treating patients. What is engineer's line of work? Constructing buildings, or what we can say dams, or what we can say making software. This is the line of work for engineers. Likewise, what was the line of work of what we can say writer? Robbing. Because writer was what? Robber. So obviously, what was his line of work? Robbing. So writer says here, I did not do any job in my line of work. Means writer says here, for 1 month I did not rob anybody. I had every opportunity for doing so because Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. And here writer says, I had every opportunity to do so because Anil had given key of his room to whom? Writer. Means writer could rob, writer could steal things from Anil's room anytime. Why? Because Anil himself had given room's key to whom? To writer. And that's why writer could come anytime to that room and could go out of that room anytime because Anil trusted him. So, whenever Anil gave such type of what we can say freedom to writer, whenever writer wanted to steal or wanted to rob Anil, he could rob. But he did not rob to Anil. Why? And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. And writer says, Anil, he was what? He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Anil trusted me very much. That's why I could not rob Anil.